Hey guys, welcome to this Apple AirTag tutorial, and here I'll detail how to check AirTag firmware version. So if you want to know whether your Apple AirTag is up to date or you want to compare your Apple AirTag firmware version with your friends to know who is updated or not, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to check Apple AirTag firmware version, all you just need to do is make sure your Apple AirTag is set up and it is connected to your iPhone. Now once you can confirm that the AirTag is connected to your iPhone, then just drop the AirTag and go grab your iPhone. On your iPhone, just search for Find My. Then once you can find it, click on it like this. Then this is going to open the Find My on your iPhone. Once opened, go ahead and locate devices. If you click on devices and you found the Apple AirTag here, good. And if the Apple AirTag is not here, just come here and click on items. Now once you selected items, you're going to see the Apple AirTag on the maps. Now locate the name of the Apple AirTag, whether you're using case, backpack, umbrella, wallet, or whatever. Just click on it here. Then you should see this information here about your Apple AirTag. Just go ahead and click on it again. Then once you click on it again, you're going to see the serial number and then the firmware version. So the current firmware version of Apple AirTag is 2.0.73. So if you have something different, either you're using a higher version or you need to update your Apple AirTag to the latest firmware version. So that is basically how to check AirTag firmware version. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.